Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I am bringing you our first fall tablescape. Shades of blue, sit back and relax and enjoy the video to music. All right, we're going to start with this beautiful centerpiece. I think it's beautiful. Okay, so we have these flowers here from the Dollar Tree. We have the blue leaf flowers with the pumpkins from the Dollar Tree with the white, creamy, greenish colored pumpkins. Yeah, this here, I cascade this and made some more and put some more on there. They came from the Dollar Tree as well. This greenery came from Amazon. Okay, these beautiful candle holders came from, I believe it was Good Stuff. No. Yes, Good Stuff. Okay, these pumpkins, they came from the Dollar Tree. Y'all, I basically have a Dollar Tree table here. Yes, I do. I have a Dollar Tree table here. These here came from Good Stuff. This came from Good Stuff. These came from Good Stuff. Okay, we have these here flatware that came from Dollar Deal. Okay, the fork and the knife. These right here pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree. These plates came from the Dollar Tree. Okay. And we also have the bowl that came from the Dollar Tree. And these here glasses, if y'all can remember, these came from the Dollar Tree as well when they had them years ago. This here base came from Good Stuff. Okay, I got that from Good Stuff. Yes, and these here, right here came from, these chargers came from Goodwill. Years ago I got these, and I had shared some with my girlfriend that passed away and went on to rest in the Lord. Yes, I got those Goodwill. I got like so many of them. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I'd love to have you. Also click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And these little spoons, I just thought I would put this pumpkin inside of here, you know, and put a spoon that's blinging right on out of it. You can do whatever you want to do with your Tablescape, y'all. Please know that. Your creations, your style, you can do whatever you want. To me, creating the Tablescape is really, really, really nice. You know, you have something in your head and you begin to start on it, and then some other things start coming up, and you got you a beautiful Tablescape. I lay out my Tablescape. I started like in a week ahead of time. It takes me maybe not that long, but by me working, I have to start on it. I do a little bit, put this part out, and then a little bit, I'll put that part out. So, you know, sometimes it takes me a week or so to, you know, get it the way I want it, and then I film it. I don't have that kind of time now where I can just go ahead and put a Tablescape together in one day. No, I sure don't. Oh, and these here napkin rings came from Good Stuff as well. Good Stuff thrifting, yes. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Bye-bye.